Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. And for those who have been with me all this while, thank you for staying with me. My name is Medilock and I am blogging from the northern part of Nigeria. Okay, thank you for following me this far. Thank you for being with me. If you are just clicking my video for the first time, you're seeing this video for the first time, please join the family, subscribe to my channel. Okay, just click the subscribe button, and when you click the subscribe button, you will see options of bells that will pop up. And among the bells, the three bells, you will see one is doing like this, has some, as if it has wings on it, you know. That one, click that one, so that any day I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. YouTube will practically come to your house, knock on your door, I mean the door of your phone, and they will drop my message for you. Okay, and if you click on the other one, so you didn't even bother to just click on subscribe button, you may not get notification whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so thank you for that. Okay, now I want to talk to us quickly today about how to recover your money from a chronic debtor using 9 alligator in fact, alligator pepper. Okay, I want to tell us how we can use it, because every process, every prophetic process of spirituality has its own modality, how you use it before it can be effective. Yes, because if you don't follow the procedure, you don't know the rules and regulation of it, it will not work, and it will look as if your own is different, you know, when others are getting their own testimony. At this point, I want to pause and say happy birthday to one of our members, one of our family members, you know, from St. Thomas. Today is his birthday. I mean St. Thomas in US. Yes, happy birthday to you, my brother. Happy birthday to you. We love you on this channel, and we on this channel, we are all family members. Okay, please care to notify me whenever you're celebrating your own birthday, okay, so that we can show you a happy birthday on this channel and give you a shout out. Okay, all right guys, today we want to talk about how you can recover your debt, your money from somebody who is owing you. You know, some people are very notorious when it comes to owing somebody money. They will say, take me to court. They will look in the eye. They say, oh yeah, I'm owing money. Yeah, even federal government or even so place, they are owing money. So it's not a new thing. Take me to court. You don't need to take anybody to court. Yes, don't take them to court. Take them to the court of the law of serpent. Yes. You sent the serpent of life after them. That is all they need. So if somebody owe you money, just look at them and smile. Then go back home and do your homework well. The person by himself or herself will call you and beg you, because they'll begin to lose what is more than what they are owing you, even in their dream and in the physical. Yes, because they say the spiritual controls the physical. At times, when you refuse to pay somebody, the serpent of life will take it from you, or will take it from the person, you know. Yes, will take it from the person in the dream, and in the physical, the person will see himself going down. That is why it is very dangerous to owe some people money. Yes. So, and what you are going to lose, maybe you are owing somebody 100 naira, you will lose 10,000. You will lose 20,000. Yeah? You will lose 1 million just because of 100 naira that you're owing somebody. So this world is very deep and very wide. So don't owe anybody anything except love. Okay? So, guys, some people will come and steal from you in the physical or in the dream. Also, you can use this method to retrieve what has been taken away from you. Yes. Alligator pepper, it is a spiritual seed. Yes, it answers in the spirit and the physical. So, when you use alligator pepper, it depends on your intention. And when we are talking about intention, we are talking about your prayer. What do you say? What is the command? What command do you give to it? That is what it will carry out. And the essence of putting alligator pepper in your mouth, a seed of alligator pepper in your mouth, is because you want to have ashe in your tongue. And what we mean by ashe in your tongue is talk and do. Yes, talk and do. When you say something to somebody, it will come to pass. And don't allow anybody to point this finger at you, because pointing this finger, it is dangerous. Yes, it is better they neutralize the hand by pointing the whole finger like this at you, but not like this. It's even better, but it's not because people don't give out good things. This is good, but it's not everybody that can just carry. Naturally, somebody will not just carry finger like this and point at you. They will say like this, so you reject it. Okay. All right, guys, I don't want to take much time sitting here explaining to you guys, but just want to give you an understanding, prepare your mind to what I want to show you. Okay, so let us go into the video. I want to show you how to demonstrate how to retrieve your debt, even when armed robbers rob you on the road, or they come to your house, they buckle your house, they steal your things, you park your car disappear. Don't shout, go back home. Haven't you seen where people will steal a car? They will go from one place to the other, they will go there and then they will hang in that place and start demonstrating some kind of lunatic behavior. And until the owner will come there and they will retrieve the car, or the person will bring it back, or they will drive it to somewhere very close, they will pack it and run away. Yes, there are incidences like that. And some, they will come to you physically to apologize. You understand? So let us look at this and see how we can use it. Okay, all right, thank you. Oh yeah, now let's go. For you to use charcoal, you have to burn it in fire and let it be completely hot, red. Now it has flame. Okay, all right, drop it here. You know, remember the charcoal has a face, you know, and this is the sachet of the charcoal. You can get it in any supermarket. Then this is alligator pepper. I want to show you guys how to burn the alligator pepper, you know, to retrieve your money back from those that are owing you money. Now we are going to count this the alligator pepper. We are going to use 9. This is unusual. How to retrieve your money back. We are using 9 alligator pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these ones, they are extra. This one is 9. You see, so this 9 alligator pepper. Now when you want to use alligator pepper to carry out any spiritual exercise, it is very, very important you put one seed in your mouth. Okay, this is alligator pepper. You put it in your mouth, show it, you know, as you're showing it, then you carry the alligator pepper. Carry one like this. See, don't use this index finger, use this. Okay, so that there will be potency. If not, it will neutralize whatever you want to do. Okay, now this is alligator seed. One is already in my mouth, and I will now call the name of the person that is owing me money that refused to pay, or the person that stole my things. Let's say your house was burgled, thieves came to burgle your house, you don't know who, you know, armed robbers robbed you on the road, anything like that, you just put it. Now this is, you say, this alligator, I'm sending you on errand. You, Mr. So 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 and so, let's say Mr. Rabbit, you are owing me my money and you refuse to pay. As I put this alligator pepper inside fire, let your life begin to experience heat, and until you pay me my money, you will not know peace. One has gone into the fire. Take the second one. Mr. Rabbit, you are owing me my money and you refuse to pay. You will pay me my money, and I give you between now and so time. If you don't pay me my money, let so and so happen. You just mention how you want it, put it on fire. If it is somebody that stole from you, or thieves came to remove things, steal your vehicle or anything, you say the same thing. You put it there on the fire. You continue to recite whatever you are reciting. If it's just one person, continue to mention that person's name. Let peace elude you. As alligator does not lie, alligator pepper does not joke. I am not joking with you. I am setting your life ablaze as I put this on fire. I am setting your finances ablaze. Wherever you hide my money, remove it quickly, fast, and come and pay me my money. Mr. Rabbit, pay me my money. Let peace elude you. You will not rest. Pay me my money. You will not rest. You must pay me my money. 9 alligator pepper, they are burning right now. You can see some of them, the heat is tossing them out. That is how the heat, his life will be ablaze until he brings your money for you. Yes. All right, guys. So I think we'll stop here. Okay, if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and share my video. Thank you. Bye. Love you.